Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. In today's video, we'll be continuing with spectral indices um, class. Still on vegetation. What we'll be doing in this video is the enhanced vegetation index. So let's get straight into it. So basically, what the enhanced vegetation index shows is an improved alternative to what we have in NDVI that corrects for atmospheric haze and reduces canopy background noise, making it more reliable over areas of dense biomass. So most likely we have that to be more preferably when we are looking at tropical forests. So the bands we'll be using are the near infrared, red, and the blue band. So as well, we also have the band combination by satellite, depending on the satellites you'll be using. But for our tutorial, we'll be working with the Landsat 8. So meaning that what we'll be having will be 2.5 multiplied by band 5 minus band 4, all divided by band 5 plus 6 multiplied by band 4 minus 7.5 multiplied by band 2 plus 1. So let's get into it and let me show you how we're gonna go about it. So on my arc map, I already have my slides here. So what I'll just go open up my geoprocessing toolbox, view geoprocessing toolbox. So I have my raster calculator. I'll open that up. Then to start my formula bracket. So let's have a look at it again. 2.5. Let me clean this up. So 2.5 multiplied by, let me kind of have this so I can comfortably write it in. Yes, so 2.5 multiplied by band 5 minus band 4 bracket close, all divided by bracket open band 5 plus 6 multiplied by band 4 minus 7.5 multiplied by band 2 plus 1 bracket close. I'll just put in EVI and I run and expand this back. Okay. Sorry for that. So let me just zoom to layer with our results. Then quickly change the symbology. Yeah, I think this is okay. Okay. Let me check it. Okay, I think that's it. So because I'm doing vegetation is green, but that's great. Okay. Did that work? So I've been able to successfully generate the map. So what I was just trying to do was to get the symbology right. So with this we have done the enhanced vegetation index of our area of interest using the Landsat ACE image that we have. So okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope I was able to assist. Please do well to subscribe, give us a like, and as always, happy mapping. See you in the next one.